attention to this. So, the diagram that I drew, this is for part A. Okay, the overall length of the hub from nut to nut. And pretty much, you want to measure just like this, where the little nuts are, from locknut to locknut, and that's the overall length of the hub for A. Now, for B, what you want to do is measure the flange to the locknut, alright? As best you can. Use a piece of paper or something for the locknut to measure accurately as possible. But you want measurement from the center of the flange to the locknut. And that measurement is B. Okay? And I will show you the piece of paper of how to solve for C, and the example, the formula in the example you could use to solve for C, which is the measurement from the flange to the center of the hub. Okay? Now, sometimes it's hard to find C, which is from the flange to the center of the hub, or hub center. So, I just give an example of my measurements for my front hub. So, A equals 100 for the overall length from locknut to locknut, or nut to nut. From B is the locknut to the flange, so B equals 14 millimeters. This is just rounded, okay? So, solve for C. And I even gave the formula for this. So, all you gotta do is plug in the numbers from your own measurements into the formula that I've provided. It's not that complicated, alright? And these are the basic measurements that you need to know. Alright? So you'll get A, B, and C. All it is plugging in the numbers. That's it for the front hub. The rear hub, I will show in a separate video because it gets a little bit more complicated. Instead of one side, it's two sides, because it's not the same. It's not equal on both sides like that of a front hub.
Fucking with the best now, suckers better rest now. You don't wanna test now, make you lose your breath. I'm chilling in the crib, feeling on the beat. Gotta get the money, so I'm filling up my script.